Well, the jury is now set in the federal sports betting trial of ex-Dodger Yasiel Puig. A new video just into our newsroom shows Puig leaving court within the past half hour, posing for pictures with family and his legal team. Now, he's accused of lying to federal investigators about his alleged involvement with an illegal sports betting business.
NBC4's Camilla Rambaldi was in the courtroom there today. She's live for us now in downtown LA with a breakdown of day one in this trial. Camilla.
Colleen and Michael, opening statements wrapped up just about an hour ago. And as you mentioned, federal prosecutors here are accusing the former Dodger star of lying and deception, alleging he placed hundreds of illegal bets. And today in court, the defense disputing those claims and saying they are false. Former Dodger star Yasiel Puig in a courtroom today, present for jury selection in his federal trial. The 35-year-old has been charged with one count of obstruction of justice and one count of making false statements to federal investigators. It's a case that goes back to 2019. Here's legal analyst Royal Oakes weighing in on the charges.
This case is strange in the sense that Puig doesn't deny he was a big gambler. He placed hundreds of bets, lost almost $300,000. But he's being charged with lying to the feds when they asked him about his contacts with bookies.
The right fielder was with the Dodgers for 6 seasons. He last played in the MLB in 2019 and later signed with teams in South Korea and the Mexican League. The ex-Dodger star has stated that he wants to clear his name.
Both the judge and the lawyers who question the jurors to a degree are looking for one thing primarily. What about the celebrity factor? This guy was a very famous Dodger player. How would that come into play in your evaluation? And secondly, have you had any personal experience, family members with gambling problems?
Back in May of 2019, federal investigators said Puig started placing hundreds of illegal bets. In January of 2022, they interviewed him and alleged Puig lied to them during that interview. Then in August of 2022, a plea deal was reached with the U.S. Attorney's Office, but weeks later, he pushed back on that deal. And then in January of 2023, federal prosecutors charged Puig.
This trial could be pretty quick, just several days. The big question is, will Puig decide to take the stand? He'd really be rolling the dice there because you never know how the cross-examination will turn out.
Day one of testimony will begin tomorrow morning, and in a statement this afternoon from Puig's legal team, it reads, Puig is finally getting his day in court and looks forward to presenting the full story, end quote. We're live in downtown LA. Camilla Rambaldi, NBC4 News.